Taking care of your roof is extremely important when you are a homeowner. It ensures that no leaks can get into the home, and if you catch an issue early, it can even save you a lot of money. Preparing yourself for the big undertaking of installing new asphalt roof shingles or having a professional do it for you can take some time and is often a big financial burden. Before you start preparing to replace your asphalt roof shingles or hiring a professional to do the work, it is important to get a good estimate of the roofing materials that you will need. This helps you to figure out how much it is going to cost before labor to do the project. Consequently, when you hire a contractor, it helps you to see whether they are charging fairly. Even if you do it on your own, you may want to estimate ahead of time to make it easier to budget for this expense. Taking care of your roof is so important when you own a home. Once the roof runs into issues with cracks, bumps, and even leaks, causing a lot of damage inside the home. But if you take care of the roof and update it with the right type of shingles, such as some high-quality asphalt roof shingles, you will have the peace of mind knowing that your home is protected with the very best. Call an experienced roofer to get your quote today. One of the professional members of our team can give you the insight you need, as well as a price and completion date. Call today at 864-990-4836 to schedule your appointment and let us make your roof right.